In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a goal in Asana. Let's get started right from your Asana workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your account and looking at the main navigation. At the top or side of your screen, depending on your layout, you'll see an option labeled Goals. This is where Asana keeps all of your high-level objectives, separate from individual tasks and projects. Go ahead and click on Goals. This will open the Goals area, where you can see existing goals for yourself or your team, as well as create new ones. Once you're in the Goals section, look for the option to add a new goal. This is usually a button that says something like New Goal or Create Goal. When you click it, Asana will open a panel or window where you can start defining what you want to achieve. The very first field you'll see is for your goal title. Type in a clear, specific goal title. This should be short but descriptive enough that anyone on your team understands what it means at a glance. For example, instead of writing marketing, you might write increase newsletter subscribers by 20% this quarter. A well-written title helps keep everyone aligned and makes it easier to scan through multiple goals later. After you've entered your goal title, take a moment to double check that it accurately reflects what you want to accomplish. If it looks good, go ahead and click on the Continue button. This will move you to the next part of the goal setup process. From here, Asana will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts might ask you to add more details, such as who owns the goal, when it should be completed, how you'll measure success, and whether it contributes to a larger company or team objective. Follow each prompt one by one. If there are optional fields, fill in as many as are useful for your team, like a brief description, key milestones, or links to related projects. The more context you add now, the easier it will be to track progress over time. Continue through the prompts until you reach the end of the setup flow. Once everything looks correct, save your new goal. That's it, you've created a goal in Asana, and you're ready to start tracking your progress.